Do you ever feel like the 9 to 5 grind isn't cutting it anymore? You've worked hard for decades, but retirement seems too far away. Imagine waking up each morning with money already hitting your bank account. If you're over 40 and looking to create passive income online, stay tuned because I'm going to share with you more than 6 powerful ways to start making money online while you sleep. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really energizes me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to embrace affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income online, especially if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a social media presence. By promoting products and services that you already use and that you trust, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your unique referral link. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you can recommend exercise and workout gear or online fitness courses. As long as people buy through your unique link, you'll keep earning a commission. The key is finding affiliate programs that align really well with your interests and your audience to keep the promotion really authentic. I recommend that you start by signing up for affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. You can even partner with specific brands themselves. The initial effort goes into building trust and content, but once your links are out there, you'll start earning 24/7. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to create an online course. You've spent years mastering a skill, whether it's cooking, business management, or even something like personal finance. Why not turn that expertise into an online course? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it very easy for you to create and sell online courses. If you've got some professional experience, you can create a course for beginners who want to follow in your footsteps. For example, someone with 20 plus years of corporate management experience could create an online course on leadership skills or productivity hacks. Once the course is created and uploaded, you're free to market it, and the sales will continue even while you're sleeping. People worldwide can sign up at any time, giving you a steady stream of income without active effort. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to start a print-on-demand store. A print-on-demand store lets you sell customized products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without keeping any inventory. You design the product, and when a customer buys it, the item is printed and shipped directly to them. Websites like Printful and Redbubble make it very easy for you to get started. This is perfect for those who have a creative flair or simply want to upload a few catchy slogans on merchandise. A 45-year-old with a passion for witty quotes could start a line of humorous mugs or shirts aimed at a specific niche like pet lovers or fitness enthusiasts. With this kind of model, you only pay for the product after a sale is made, so there's very little risk on your part. The income becomes passive once your store is up and running with good designs in place. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to invest in real estate for rental income. Real estate has long been a popular passive income stream. By purchasing rental properties, you can collect rent each month while the property value appreciates over time. If you don't want the hassle of managing properties yourself, I recommend to consider hiring a property manager. Let's say you buy a duplex or a small apartment building. With renters paying each month, you have consistent cash flow without much daily involvement. Over time, as the rent increases, so does your profit margin. Alternatively, I recommend to consider REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts, which lets you invest in real estate without owning property directly. It's a hands-off approach that pays dividends regularly, giving you income while you sleep. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to launch a YouTube channel with ad revenue. If you enjoy creating content, starting a YouTube channel can be a long-term passive income source. Once your channel gains enough subscribers and views, YouTube will allow you to monetize your video with ads. This means every time someone watches your content, you earn a little money. For example, if you're in your 40s and you have accumulated knowledge in a field like personal finance or parenting, You could create helpful evergreen content around these specific topics. Each video is an asset that can generate revenue for many years. The key here is consistency. While building an audience takes time, once you have a solid base, the ad revenue, affiliate links and even sponsorship deals can bring in money around the clock. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to write and self-publish an ebook. If you've got a book idea brewing, self-publishing an ebook on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can generate passive income for years to come. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or even a how-to guide, your ebook becomes a product that can sell 24/7. A 45-year-old with expertise in business could write a simple guide on starting an online side hustle, sharing personal stories and top tips. The initial effort is in writing and publishing the book, but once it's live, you can promote it on your website or on your social media, and every sale earns you some royalties. The beauty of self-publishing is the low barrier to entry. No need for a traditional publisher. You control the price and the marketing while benefiting from a global marketplace. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to build a niche blog with ad revenue and sponsorships. Blogging isn't dead, and far from it. Starting a blog focused on a specific niche can be a very powerful way to generate passive income online. Whether you're passionate about travel, tech, or health and wellness, there's an audience for almost anything. Once your blog begins to gain some traction, you can then monetize it through ad networks like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or even paid sponsorships. Imagine a blog on gardening tips for beginners. Once you've got consistent traffic, you could partner with other gardening tool brands for sponsored posts, earning passive income from your content. It may take some time to build, but once you have a steady flow of readers, the passive income from the ads and the affiliates can accumulate while you sleep. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to set up a dropshipping business. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without ever handling any inventory. You simply set up an online web store, and when someone places an order, the supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. You will earn the difference between the supplier's price and your retail price. If you're 40 plus, you likely have some experience or hobbies that could translate into a highly profitable niche. For example, someone who's passionate about cycling could start a dropshipping web store focused on cycling accessories. Once the store is running, the fulfillment is automated, making it a passive income source. While dropshipping does require some effort in setting up, such as marketing and choosing the right products, the maintenance is fairly low, and you can make sales at any time of the day. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks provide a truly passive income stream. When you invest in stocks that pay regular dividends, you receive a payout simply for holding the stock. This is the perfect option for those who want to build wealth over time without being actively involved in the day-to-day. Let's say you invest in a reliable dividend-paying company like Johnson & Johnson. As long as you hold the stock, you'll receive quarterly dividends, and the income will compound if you reinvest those dividends back into more shares. Though stocks can fluctuate, dividend stocks are often from well-established companies, providing stability and regular income that can help you build wealth even while you sleep. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to license your photography or your artwork. If you have a talent for photography or creating digital art, you can license your work to stock websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Every time someone downloads your image, you receive a royalty, creating a steady stream of passive income. For example, a photographer over 40 who enjoys travel could upload high-quality landscape or cityscape shots to these platforms. Once your photos are online, they can generate income for years, with minimal additional effort beyond occasional uploads. This works well for people with a creative side who want to monetize their hobby. The more images that you upload, the more chances you have to earn passive income while you're asleep. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to rent out equipment that you already own. If you own equipment like cameras, drones, power tools, or even camping gear, you can rent them out for passive income. Websites like Fat Lemur and ShareGrid allow you to list your items for rent, earning money whenever someone in your area needs to borrow them. Imagine someone over 40 with a high-end camera and video equipment that they only use on the weekends. By listing these items for rent during the week, they can earn additional income without much effort. This model works for a variety of items, and the initial setup is as simple as creating a listing and coordinating rental pickups. Your equipment earns you money while you're busy doing other things. Let me now give you tip number 12, which is to develop a mobile app or hire someone to build one. If you have a unique idea for a mobile app but lack the coding skills, you can hire a developer to bring your vision to life. Once the app is live on platforms like the Apple Store or Google Play, you can generate passive income through in-app purchases, ads, or paid downloads. For instance, someone over 40 might have an idea for an app that helps users with daily habit tracking or financial budgeting. Even if you don't know how to code, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can connect you with skilled developers to build the app for you. Once the app is up and running, users can download and use it at any time, earning you money even in your sleep through app sales, ads, or premium features. The key is creating a useful app with long-term demand. So there you have it, 12 powerful ways to start making money online while you sleep, especially if you're over 40. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.